So guys, there is one more thing left out, that is drafting. So in your exam you'll actually get a printout of this and submit it to the examiner. So for drafting, what you do is go to new. Here you click on drawing of active model. So you'll be taken to another draft sheet. Here you can browse what is your setting. So it will be in inch or metric, so you go metric draft, okay, and okay. So you'll obtain what sort of view you need. So before you come here, you close this. There is one modification that you need to do. When you're here, when you are in the assembly, take your drag option and go to top view, and using your drag option, just maintain the symmetric of it. Okay, just try to keep it at a 180 degree angle. Okay, so however you place it here, that is how the draft will be. So if you keep it in different angle, you won't be able to take a sectional view out of it. So just keep it like this, and then go new, drawing of active assembly, choose your desired, that is metric, and then you'll get your model. So here I don't want it in this view, I want it in top view. So click here and then take top view. Okay, and scale it. Let us take it as 1:4. If you don't have 1:4, then what you can do, you can just write it here 25. Click somewhere here and then sheet setup. You'll also obtain different views once you have done with it, but first let us do the sheet setup and move it to our A4 sheet. Okay, size, switch off your background. Okay, then using your move tool, you move it to here and then fit. That is your top view, but we need a sectional view of it. So for that, what you do, you take this option here called cutting plane and click on the model. So once you click on the model, you'll be taken to a sketching surface, and then how you want to click it, how does your model looks like. So from this center, keep it in place. So from here, just tab and keep it 0 degrees, because this is my cutting plane. Right click, close cutting plane. So that is the section that you have taken. So which direction you want, we'll define the direction, but first let us take the section out, and click on the line, and that is the section you have. Okay, so this is your section. Well, let us try to scale it. I think we can go for 1:2. I think it's a bit bigger. I think this is okay. And now just move this a bit downwards. Okay, and then you need the parts list table, what all parts are involved in it. So just go for parts list, click on your model, this model I'll want. So here is your table, and click it here. Okay, so it'll give all the outlines. I can delete it, and markings 1 of 1. So 1 is where, and 2 is where, and 3 is where. What you can do is go to properties, and then you have your author name. You can just write here USN. So 1AY, I don't know, 18A something 050 something. Okay, and just keep it there. And then you'll need another ISO view. So click on this, copy it, and then let this be 1 point I think 1:4. Here this view, what will take the isometric view, and this isometric view, let it be shape shaded, and use model colors and update views. So this is the model that you have designed, and that is the draft of it. There is much more options in this that you can work out regarding you can even give dimensions to it. Okay, so this is okay. So now you can save this as your draft, or you can save as an image, and then so let me just take it as propeller draft. This is your image. Then you'll go and print this and submit it to the external or the examiner for that purpose. And also there is a lot of options. You can right click on this and go to their properties, and then do you want to show the hidden views or hidden lines, or you don't want to show the hidden lines, and you can do all of it. But you can clearly see the parts and assembly how you have done it. So if there is any mistakes, there is just cut section of this, and you can delete this if you want, or else you can all bring it to one common point. So let me just take it here, 1:1, and this 4 is here, or I can just let us arrange it as line. I think I might have deleted the 4th one. Anyways, sorry, 3rd one. So we'll just delete it and submit your copies like this. Make sure how you place it, the scale is all good. Now we'll see for our engine mount. This is our engine mount. Go to File, New, Active Drawing, Metric Draft. Okay, and the first one, see here, if you just click here, and then you can go to Sheet Setup, A4, background off. Okay, and down, I think I'll scale it down to 1:2. 1:2 is bigger, so we'll take 1:4.25. Even that is more, so we'll take 1:10. So this is now fit. Okay, then copy this. There is no sectional view required for this, I guess, because we don't have one particular axis that you can cut. So front view. I think what we'll do, we'll just keep this at the top bottom corner. We'll keep this at the bottom corner, and then so this can be your side view or the front view, or this is your front view, right side view. Okay, and now you can go to your parts table of this one. Okay, and this is defining which part belongs to which. You can delete that, and again you've got your parts thing, and again right click and change your author name. If you want to keep this as solid, go here, shading, color, update views. I think edges is required for this. and okay, or I think the color is quite dashing, so let us put it as grayscale with edges and update views. Okay, that is this grayscale. Okay, anyways, so this is how you do it, and then take your printouts. Like I said, there is no sectional view for this because there is no any symmetric plane that you can cut it. So this is how you just give and then submit it, and camera rest all follows the same way.